Hey everybody, I hope y'all are having an amazing day. So today we are out in the garage and I'm going to be planting out my onions for fall. So I'm going to be planting out three types of onions by Lazy Dog Farm and then two types by Haas. So the first three are going to be Chianti, Sapello Sweet, and also Georgia Boy. And these are all short day onions. And then I also have Red Creole and Fedora onions, and these are all short day onions as well. So these I'm just gonna reuse what I have. I'm just gonna take some of these. We're gonna do it like this, and I'm gonna fill each one up. And once I fill them up, then I will add some seeds to it. Okay, so now we're going to start first planting our Lazy Dog Farm seeds, and they actually come like this in a package so that you don't have to worry about them falling out, and you can just reseal it once you're done. So I'm going to take my first one, and I'm going to start planting them in here. So this is about the amount here. I'm just going to take them, and I'm just going to evenly spread them out like so. You don't have to do too much. I'll spread a couple more because we're looking to get good germination. All right, so now we're going to do the Sapello Sweet, and again, it's like this. I don't want that many. I would like to save some just in case I don't get good germination. This is my first time buying from this company. I do follow Lazy Dog Farm on YouTube, and so I do think that he is a reputable company. I've learned a lot from him, so I don't mind purchasing from him. And there's no rhyme or reason to sow onions. Just sow them because you're just going to lightly cover them anyway. They need light to germinate, so I will show you guys. Okay, you guys, I just want to show you I'm doing a very light sprinkle of soil topping. I'm not even really covering them because, again, onions need light, okay? So I'm just literally just very light sprinkle. I'm going to leave these here because I have to make a marker for each of my three Lazy Dog Farm ones. I do have to make a marker for. The one thing I do love about Haas is that they have their own markers for their a lot of their produce or seeds that they offer. So I'm going to make my markers. I'm going to water them in, and then I will put them under the grow light. Y'all, I call myself trying to do things that don't cause for me to be outside because it's so hot. And even sitting in my garage with the door cracked, the heat is so hot that I cannot wait to be finished with this one little chore and go back in the house because it's too hot. I mean, it is insanely too hot. And all I'm trying to do is really just water my seedlings in. So, anyway, I hope y'all have an amazing day. Let me know if you guys have started your onions. If not, you might want to get them started. Me personally, now this might just be a little early. For some people, like, it's too early to start onions. But for me, I like to give myself time to start things just in case I got to start over. So, anywho, I hope y'all have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.